How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. So in today's video, it's going to be a very exciting day. We're finally going to begin the process of reassembling the Hellcat Challenger. I'm first going to jump onto the interior, get all the quarter trims, the headliner, everything, all that stuff put back in. I'm going to get the seats put back in, get the doors reassembled, everything basically except getting the dashboard put in because I am still waiting on the passenger dash bag before I can change the dashboard. It doesn't make sense to take apart the dash and forget where screws go or anything. I'm going to wait to do the dash until I have the airbag. So I'm going to do everything on the interior with the exception of the dash. Once I get that done, I'm going to start moving to the outside. I'm going to get the fenders installed, get some of the trim on the outside, and possibly get some of the wheel flares for the wide body kit reinstalled because I want to cover up the holes on the quarter where those clips mount. I don't want any, openings for water or anything to get inside and soak into the foams in the quarters like we know happens on these cars, especially when I wash it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and make this Hellcat look like a Hellcat once again. So we also got the wing painted here for the trunk. Finding the paint code for this thing was quite difficult, but I did find it buried deep in the Challenger forums. So if anybody ends up needing this paint code, it is RXF, Romeo X-Ray Foxtrot. If you're painting any of the flat black accents on these cars, they pretty typically use this RXF paint code, I found out. So this is ready to be reassembled. We're going to put the camera back in and get this thing put back together and put new double-sided tape underneath, and then go ahead and reaffix it to the trunk lid. And we're going to get on that right now. Alrighty guys, so we got all the interior cleaned up, all the dust off of it, treated with leather conditioner. Everything looks really good. Got the carpets all set, ready to go back in. So we're going to start getting all of this stuff back in the vehicle and get the whole interior reassembled. Now that the back seat and seat belts and quarter trim are all fully installed, it's time to get the front seats reinstalled. I do have the rebuilt pre-tensioners here on the seatbelt for the buckles. Those were rebuilt by Safety Restore along with the seat belts that we already installed. Those are hooked up and connected to the seat harness on both of them. So these seats are ready to be put back in the car. So guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. We got a ton accomplished on the Challenger, got a lot reassembled, and I think so far it's looking awesome. Take a look at it with the hood on, got the headlights in, fenders on, everything's reassembled. We got all the wide body flares on, as you saw, and I'm super happy with how it's looking so far. So if you guys like this video and are liking the project so far, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Share the video with a friend who you think might like the project as well. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.